Hello students, in this video I am going to uh, uh, provide you GK like questions. That is, question will be same as coming in the NEET and GMAINS and CBSE, but their principle will be explained as in 1 minute, just like GK, fast track test. So, if in this there is a question, y equal 10 sine 20t plus 0.5, find what is the displacement, what is the velocity, what is the angular velocity, what is the time period, what is the acceleration. This is to tell you. So, if such type of question, so in this there are two type, whether pendulum SHM motion starting from the main position, so that is y equal a sin omega t. If SHM equation start from extreme position, then this equation cos function equation will be. So this is the sine function. So this is you are to write comparative sine function, that is the y equal a sin omega t plus minus phi naught. So this implies amplitude is 10 and omega is 20. Omega t, this represents omega. Omega is 20 or omega is 2 pi by t. So you will find time period, and phi naught is, this is 1 upon 2. So this is in radian. You will convert into degree. And this is a cos function. This implies particle starts at t equal 0 from the extreme position. So write equation x equal a cos omega t plus phi naught. So in this case, a is amplitude is phi, and phi naught is pi by 4, and omega is 2 pi. So time period omega equal 2 pi. So time period omega is 2 pi by t. So time period t equal 1 second. 2 pi cancel, t equal 1 second. And amplitude you have got 5. But other terms such as velocity. So in this velocity equation, you have velocity v equal a omega cos omega t. This is the formula. But it is for this equation. For this equation, you will have to derive. And derive dx upon dt. If you will derive this, you will find the velocity. And further differentiate this second order derivative of the x, you will find acceleration. If they are asking velocity and acceleration, you will have to derive this, and again you will have to derive, you will find the answer. Question number 3. And next question is this, question number 3 and question number 4. प्रक्रिया इसमें से ये गिवन है कि दिस इज एसएचएम मोशन. जब पार्टिकल 3 मीटर डिस्टेंस पर पहुंचता है तो वेलोसिटी इज 4 मीटर पर सेकंड, और आगे 4 मीटर डिस्टेंस पे पहुंचता है तो वेलोसिटी कम हो जाएगी, दैट इज 3 मीटर पर सेकंड. तो आपको फिर इसमें से बताना है कि व्हाट विल बी द टाइम पीरियड इफ पार्टिकल रिटर्न बैक फ्रॉम एक्सट्रीम पोजीशन टू मिड पॉइंट. एक्सट्रीम मिड से दिस इज extreme position to 2.5 meter given है. So what will be time from this point to this point, to reach from this point to this point, what is the time? So in this operation I am telling you, practically velocity equal omega times root a square minus y square. This is the equation whether you are applying, whether particle moving from main position to this. So first these operation related with the moving from the main position, so that is the v1 upon v2, 4 meter, and this, and the a square minus omega times a square minus y square, omega will be cancelled, this will be finding. This is velocity and this is velocity. And on simplification you are getting the acceleration a. Next is whether particle move from this to this, time is to find. So x equal a cos omega t. Equation whether particle move from extreme to this will be equation. And displacement is 2.5. Here you have got amplitude 5, so that is a by 2. So a by 2 a cos omega t. And in this case you can find this is 1 upon 2 cos omega t. This implies omega t is pi by 6, pi by 3. Cos 60 degree is 1 by 2. So you have got omega t is, and t is to find, and you can find omega. You can find omega. So omega is, you know, velocity is, if velocity is 4, displacement is 3, substitute over here 4, velocity 4, and this is amplitude is 5, and this is the 3, you will find omega, and this omega value substitute, you will find t. From this equation you will find omega, and omega value substitute, you will find t. This is another question. This is the question is, this is the spring weighing machine, balance, spring balance machine. Here will be spring and this is the machine. In this machine a man is standing, its weight will be mg. Now question is this, what will be the maximum or minimum weight of the man when the machine starts oscillating with the help of a spring? The platform of the weighing machine starts oscillating. Amplitude is 5 centimeter and frequency is 2. Practically, I am telling you, whether a spring starts oscillating. If a spring is coming downwards, pseudo force will be upward. If a spring is coming upward, pseudo force will be downwards. So in this operation, force maximum is this. It is weight maximum. Weight of the man now will be mg plus ma, and weight of the man will be mg minus ma. This is the weight of the man minimum. This is the minimum weight, maximum weight. This is answer. Okay. So next same way in one minute I'll try my best to provide you answer.